A new mask today. Yes indeed, we have a brand new mask in this channel that we're going to try today. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Magali. Today we're going to make this amazing we have a new mask today. Yes indeed, we have a brand new mask in this channel that we're going to try today. We're going to make this amazing face mask that is rich and exfoliating, that brighten your skin, shrink pores, and awaken all the dull skin. Also have super anti-aging property. So please keep watching so you can enjoy all the benefit of this amazing new mask. So one of the first things we're gonna need for this recipe is going to be bentonite clay. Bentonite clay is also antibacterial, it's anti-inflammatory, it also helps your skin heal. So if you've been having acne problems or sunburn, bentonite clay will definitely be great for that issue. So going to use espresso coffee. You can use any brand you have. And what I mean espresso, if you just have regular coffee, you would have to grind it up into a very thin paste. You don't want this to be gray because this mask is going to be a rejuvenating mask. It's going to have a little bit of exfoliating property in it, but we don't want too much. We don't want abrasive grain into your skin, making little micro cuts in it. So if you have regular beans, you can grind it. If you have a NutriBullet, it's great for that. You can grind anything in there. So you can pour your coffee in the NutriBullet and grind it until you see this very thin powder. That's espresso coffee. Coffee, which is the caffeine, promote healthy skin, and also caffeinic acid and antioxidant also help boost collagen level and reduce the premature aging. I have this gigantic cacao powder. It's organic and fair trade. So if you have some raw cacao powder, it's better if it's organic and fair trade, which soften the skin, it clear the skin, and also help with fine lines and wrinkles and reduce the appearance of scars. Cacao powder is highly antioxidant as well as the coffee and the bentonite clay. So we're going to detoxify our skin. We're going to take all this toxin out and we're going to put all this nice nutrient in it that's going to awaken your skin and flush all the toxins out of your skin and make it look supple and younger and redefine the line, and also help with the production of collagen. So after you have mixed all your ingredients, mix them really well. Mix them really well. We're not going to add any liquid into the jar just yet. So what we're going to do is this. It's very powdery. So what we're going to do is that we're going to get a bowl and we're going to add just enough for one single use. This will extend like 1 tablespoon, something like this. Okay, it looks a little bit white. So making sure that I'm gonna put a little bit more just for me. We're going to add some fresh aloe vera juice. This is fresh aloe vera juice, or should I say aloe vera gel, but it really is juice because since it doesn't have anything else other than aloe vera in it, it's pretty much more like a juice instead of a gel. And aloe vera juice will help to moisturize the skin and also has anti-aging property and healing. So we're gonna add just a little bit of that. And the reason being why I chose to do it this way is because I can always take the rest of my face mask, the leftover that I have, and I can always use it later. I mean, whatever I want. I can leave it for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and I only mix the amount that I need. I only mix the amount that I need for today, that I need right now. Now that we have mixed our mask, let's get to it. Really? No, we're gonna take off our makeup first. On our mask, let's see how this goes. Ooh. smells so good. I dropped it in my shirt. Oh my god. As much as we can. It smells delicious. I mean, I could eat it. If it wasn't for the clay, I probably would eat it. For all the coffee lovers out there. Okay, so we're gonna let this dry. Or if you don't like to let it dry, some people don't like to let it dry, just do 15 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off. Okay, my mask is almost dry. I'm gonna rinse it up now so it doesn't harden too much. It feels so soft. I haven't put anything yet on it and it feels very soft. I mean, it's so soft, like a baby's bottom. I mean, it feels really soft and nice. And the reason I love this is because now I can travel with my DIY. I can travel with it and I know it's not gonna get bad, and my luggage while I'm traveling on the road, it's just gonna be safe. And I can mix, you can mix it with milk, you can mix it with water, you can mix it with coffee, and you can actually make a cup of coffee and mix it with that, or you can brew some tea. You can brew chamomile tea, green tea, black tea, and use that to dilute, use that to mix your powder, and you can use your mask on the go wherever you go. So now DIY can actually come with us. La da da! I'm very excited about this. But you know, really, I'm very excited about this. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and leave your comments down below and click on the notification bell so you can get notification every time we put up a video. And if you already subscribed, welcome back. We're so happy to see you again. Thank you. Bye-bye. I'll see you next time.